Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. On this channel, you guys are going to learn how you can make an income from home. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014. I started this YouTube channel back in 2017, and it was a totally different name, totally different channel. But I made this channel to basically help people make money online, make money from home. And I hope the videos I've brought you so far helped you do just that. So don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a couple of free gifts I want to give you. Okay, so let's dive into the video. As you can see, the title of this video is, do you need leads for your online business? The answer to that question should be yes, because we all need leads for our online business, but we just don't know where we can get them. Now, you guys can purchase leads. You can buy leads online, but the opportunity I want to bring you today is called the Conversion Pros, and they have pre-qualified leads for you. These are leads that are ready for you to buy. They're people that have already opted in for an online business opportunity. So I'm going to show you what it has to offer. Quality BizOp leads require a lot of time, effort, and money. What would it mean for your business if you could skip all the work of finding fresh, excited leads that are waiting for your call? Pre-interviewed leads. Pre-interviewed leads allow you to skip the small talk. They've already been interviewed about their wants and needs. They just need you to follow up and offer them your business opportunity or product. Their answers to our questions can guide how you approach your follow-up. So they have pre-interviewed leads. General leads. Our leads don't come from just anywhere. They have intentionally filled out a form wanting more information about making money from new, non-specific business opportunities. When you get leads from TCP, they go exclusively to you. Nobody else ever gets that lead. So, excuse me, if you get a lead from the Conversion Pros, it's going to be automatically your lead. No one else is going to get it. There's no pass-ups or nothing like that. So, why TCP leads? Because it's vital to follow up with a lead ASAP, as our leads are fresh. Pre-interviewed leads have been spoken to very recently, probably today. These are not cold leads. They want you to connect with them today. They've already signed up to hear from someone about a new opportunity. They're expecting to be contacted. So the Conversion Pros not only offers you a 100 complete done-for-you system, but it also offers leads that you can buy and follow up with, and people that are ready to join a business opportunity. They have general BizOp leads, women-only leads, men-only leads. It comes with name, email, phone number, and that's basically it, you guys. I mean, you guys need leads in order to run a business. Like, you need leads are people that opt into your business, that want to learn more information, and could possibly be a buyer for your business. So yes, it's very important that you get leads for your business. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the capture pages that I use to get leads. So let's go over there to that page now. Okay, so here we are on the capture pages that were created with the Conversion Pros. Now, these are capture pages from the Conversion Pros that you guys will be able to complete and get leads for into your business, okay? So maybe you have an Instagram business that you are a part of and you want to get leads for your Instagram business, okay? You just have them enter their full name, their email, and the phone number. Click on Get Course, and the course will be emailed to them. And once they receive their free course, they'll be able to watch the videos and, learn about Instagram, how to market on Instagram. And I've gotten leads from this because I market the same exact capture page. Pinterest. If you've got people who are interested in Pinterest, you can, send them this one and get leads that way. And these leads lead to people who will buy into the Conversion Pros, just so you know. Facebook Live videos. If you are interested in learning how to do Facebook Live, if you have people that will be interested in that, if you want leads for your Facebook business, have them opt in and send it to them, and they'll be able to watch the videos, and then they can make an informed decision on whether or not they want to join you. Snapchat. Snapchat is, I'm very new to Snapchat, and I think Snapchat is a great way to market online because, a lot of people don't know too much about Snapchat, but the videos can teach them how to market on Snapchat. You can get leads for that as well. Twitter, you can get leads for Twitter. You can get leads from the YouTube ads. All these capture pages that the Conversion Pros offers, you can get leads for. And that's how I get my leads. I get my leads by offering these capture pages to people that are interested in learning how to market on these particular social media sites. So, and I'll be leaving these links in the description below so you guys can, if you're interested in opting into these, you can learn about each and every one of these social media sites. I'll be leaving these below so you guys can check those out when you get a chance because these really do help. And this would be a great way for you to market your business and get leads. And you can market any business with the Conversion Pros. It doesn't have to be the Conversion Pros by itself. If you're a member of, a makeup or a beauty business, you can use the Conversion Pros to market that. If you have real estate, you can market real estate. You can market anything that you can think of. You can market on the Conversion Pros. It has 100% done for you capture pages that are already done for you. All you have to do is change them around, add your little twist to it, and there you go. So leads are very important in any online business, but the Conversion Pros is the best way to go because they offer you leads. Now I'm going to tell you the truth. I've been a part of a lot of systems that offer, but they charge an arm and a leg, and they don't have the capture pages they have are not as good as the Conversion Pros. They're just thrown together any old kind of way. They're not well designed and well thought out capture pages. They don't stand out, and also they don't have a autoresponder. Okay, because I've signed up with AWeber and I get response. I didn't even know how to use or market AWeber or get response, and those are two separate autoresponders. Okay, and the Conversion Pros, if you have get response or AWeber, the Conversion Pros shows you or teaches you how to link those to the Conversion Pros. So if you don't want to use the Conversion Pros as autoresponder, you can link your own. Okay, that's the good thing about the Conversion Pros, but they have their own built-in autoresponder that sends out all the emails and everything for you. So it's a done-for-you system. You don't have to market it at all. But I just bring you guys these opportunities because I believe that they will help you in the long run. And you're just giving away free courses. You're just giving away free courses on social media sites and getting leads. And those leads can turn into prospects for your business. And like I said, you can market any business with the Conversion Pros. So if you're interested in learning more about the Conversion Pros, there'll be a link in the description. It's a free presentation video you can watch, and it will show you everything you need to know and learn about the Conversion Pros and how to market. Take care, you guys.